this whole eastern UP belt, this is where all the expressways were built, so much of development work.
See, development, हम सब देखते हैं कि road बना है, ये बना है, all these corridors also. All the people who actually lived on those corridors got displaced. They got 2-3 lakh rupees. All the new guys who have come and bought the land have their land is appreciated 2-3 crores. वो जो उनका चूना और पत्थर का जो घर था, even that to make in this day and age costs about 12 lakhs.
Yeah, 3 lakhs में क्या होगा?
2-3 lakhs में क्या होगा?
They should have
You
got a
pushed
stake.
them out. Everybody else benefited from it. The actual people who left that area
The stakeholders.
were completely destroyed. तो कहाँ से वोट करोगे?
Unlike,
and
say,
see,
Haryana.
here you have
I
ghettos.
think
You
let's
have
maybe go give enough time to each one
Sure, yes,
rather than have.
absolutely.
So I think this
so
obviously.
so you know they and remember what you have in these areas is ghettos in a sense where communities tend to live together. So it tends to affect communities disproportionately and the disaffection spreads.
What is your take on this?
So I think 3 or 4. I think one of the most prescient analysis was done by Sushant Paji. I'm not just saying this because he's sitting next to me and he's 3 times now the weight that I am. He said election analysis is like analyzing an elephant in a dark room. Everyone says ye hai, ye hua. So basically, as the adage goes, success has many fathers, failure is an orphan. But दो और तीन चीज़ें यहाँ पे मैं कहूँगा, taking from what Abhijit has said. I think if there was no wave, and many people are saying that this was not a wave election, then the local issues take precedence. And when the local issues take precedence, then you have this kind of revolt, uprising, dissatisfaction. किसी का घर नहीं बिका, किसी को पैसे नहीं मिले, पानी नहीं आया, सड़क नहीं मिली, ये हुआ, hundreds of things, and then it's very difficult, almost impossible.
True.
To if it's a waveless thing. The second point we need to realize is that either we are blessed or cursed. My thing is that we are blessed to have a parliamentary type of thing, because if it was presidential, then Modi would have won hands down, right? Because what is the alternative?
Asti.
Right? But it was not presidential election. So obviously when local issues take precedence, it is the MP also matters. And if the MP hasn't done any work, the MP has uttered stupid, useless statements like Ayodhya ka contender, for example.
Yeah,
he was making, completely juvenile, asinine statements all through, including constitution change होना है, seriously बात कर रहा है. अमित शाह का जो वीडियो वायरल हुआ, वो 7 दिन बाद किसी को पकड़ा है. वो 7 दिन तक जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से वो बोला कि SC/ST के reservations गई. So there are multiple reasons. I don't know which one.
Yeah.
I think Paji is right. But having said that, of course you have the gloating rights. But let me again say this: to have formed the government third time round, to beat anti-incumbency of 10 years. Congress, after 10 years of anti-incumbency, got 52 seats. BJP's got 240. So let's not. Yes, you have the gloating rights, no doubt about it.
Yeah.
But the situation is not bad at all.
अच्छा, but
Sense of proportion होना चाहिए.
yeah,
basically.
exactly.
यार देखो इसमें ऐसे है, पहली and the most important thing, you can blame it on anything, just don't blame it on an air conditioner. Right? This whole thing,
Or armchairs.
Armchairs and air conditioners are the two greatest inventions of mankind. And just because somebody has not done well in election, because he was sitting in an AC room, the guy who's done well in elections was also sitting in an AC room. So an AC room has absolutely nothing to do with what has happened.
Okay, so you are
No,
now
one bus.
taking
Or
off
an AC bus.
those who are not on Twitter, they don't, or X now, they don't know what you're talking about. Basically, explain. This is on X, that there are people who are coming in and all that angst is coming out on X, where they're saying that ticket distribution was done by people who
Sitting in AC rooms.
Sitting in AC room. This is what was the खुन्नस of people who said that तुम लोग ground में जो कार्य करता है, जो दिन रात मेहनत कर रहा है, जो बूथ पे चल रहा है, जो पन्ना प्रमुख है, उनकी बातें नहीं सुन रहे हो. आप AC में बैठ के, AC rooms में बैठ के ticket distribution.
Bad decisions have nothing to do with AC rooms.
Bad, okay.
Okay, number one. Number two, and I think this is very important. In an election, both fear and fake news works. Fear that संविधान बदल देंगे, reservation खत्म कर देंगे. This was fear factor. You were instilling fear. The BJP tried to counter it by this thing that the fear was ये सारी reservation मुसलमानों को दे देंगे. One fear worked, the other fear did not work.
The second fear came in too late.
Too late. But along with
Three
it,
rounds had happened.
along with it, the fake news factor. Right? There was a lot of fake news which happened on both sides, but one fake news worked, the other fake news did not work. Number 3. Yes, and I think anybody who says, no, yes, yeah, of course the BJP is going to form a government, but anybody who says that, look, the BJP did not lose this election is talking through his hat.
Yeah.
They've lost the election, but they will form the government.
Okay. That's the point. They've lost the
they've
election,
lost the
but they're
election.
forming the
Yeah,
government.
look, number one, they were at 350 as an alliance last time.
353. Yeah.
353. They've come down to 290. They've lost about over 60 seats, right? That's a huge loss. So they have lost,
So
but
it's
they will
not
form
a
the government.
fractured mandate, it's a loss.
No, I'll come to the mandate in the next point. They've lost, but they will form a government. The India Alliance, in a manner of speaking, has won, but we cannot form the government. It's very clear. That's the mandate. Number 4, and this is again very important. You know, this is the elephant in the room. Jiska jo man aata hai, and this is the greatness of a verdict also, that everybody can pick up something and go away happy, right? Now people will say, this is a mandate against divisive politics. Yeah, the guy who has voted in UP has not voted on Hindu-Muslim issue necessarily. He has voted on local issues. Now the same guy in Bihar, so now you're telling me rural distress is maximum in UP. What about Bihar?
No, exactly.
Right? What about, say, some other state
But
like
that's what
Madhya
Anand was
Pradesh?
saying.
Madhya Pradesh.
Odisha.
Odisha is 70%,
So the point is,
80%
So
rural.
Anand is right that it's everywhere,
so
it's a
if you-
different issue.
No, so break down the election. The BJP has lost in 3 states. Had it managed to get even half of what it had got
Yeah.
last time, they would have romped
But
home.
then you go with what Tehseen said कि sabotage हो सकता है
नहीं,
ये.
sabotage, यार देखो, no election is won on a single
My
issue.
theory sounds
एक
sexy.
minute, सुन.
Sounds
एक minute,
No, no.
सुन.
Abhijit
देखो,
also said
no-
that
no-
that on the ground that there was
So
resentment.
No,
There
but
was
there
a
was
lot of
resentment
resentment, but
where?
I'll finish, I'll tell you.
Was there no resentment in MP?
No.
In Gujarat?
No.
So why was there
Exactly.
in local areas for
who-
local? One second, यार एक मिनट पूरी बात सुन. In local areas for local reasons, there was massive resentment.
Correct.
It was there in UP. There was reason for it to be there in Maharashtra. In Haryana, from where I come, I can tell you the way they've handled the politics of it, they've boshed it up completely. So Haryana, you remember,
Yeah.
I think a couple of days I was telling
Yeah,
you that this
yeah.
is what I'm hearing. Although the guy in my constituency won, but just barely.
You didn't vote for Raj Babbar?
Just barely, right?
He was in the foreign.
So I think
हमारे
that's
इंसाफ का
it's
क्या हुआ
very
था, राज?
important that
External affairs
everybody
का
is
जो-
picking up on something and walking away with it and
But
pretending
I
that
think
this is
please
why an
answer
election
this.
has been
Take a round
won.
and answer this one
Let me-
question.
let me-
Election, one second, last point. An election
Sorry.
is not won on a single
I'm not
issue
true to what I said,
and is
sir.
not lost on a single issue. There are a multiplicity
Always
of factors
multi-causality, yeah.
and it's the combination of those factors that decide the outcome of an election in different parts of the country.
Click here to watch the full episode.